Mayor, are you aware, being a lawyer, you're aware of the provisions of Republic Act number 9184? Pabayan niyo muna ako magtanong. Ang tanong ko naman po yan, answerable by yes or no. I did not ask for any explanation on your part. Tama po. Kasi dinidepends mo agad yung inuunahan mo ako kasi may budget ito lahat ng programa sa annual procurement plan.
Yes po, tama po.
Mayor, before you answer, intindi mo muna yung tanong ng ating resource ng ating congressman, ha? Before answering anything.
Pag-appoint nyo dito sa Kwan, sa inyong kapatid as administrator, is there no conflict of interest there?
Actually po, consulted din po sa...
Pardon?
Nag-consult po kami sa mga lawyers po. Wala pong prohibition po sa trust and confidence. I think marami pong kapatid po ang administrator.
I agree. Hindi po ba in violation of Executive Order number 292, which is the Administrative Code of 1987 regarding nepotism? Would it pass the standard? You did not commit any nepotism when you appointed him as the back chairman?
Actually po, pinatanong po namin sa amin pong municipal accountant.
Bakit yung municipal accountant at po ninyo?
Pinatanong po namin sa COA po noong panahon na po yun, if may prohibition po bago po namin i-appoint.
Ano po ang sagot?
Nandito po yung if kung okay lang po yung municipal accountant po yung
Good morning po, Your Honor. Natanong po kami sa COA report if may prohibition. She said wala.
Sir Mayor, why do you think that the COA would be the appropriate authority to determine whether there was no nepotism committed when you appointed your brother as chairman of the BAC? Now, when you appointed your brother as the BAC chairman, wala po bang conflict of interest at violation ng EO 292 regarding nepotism? Ano po sa tingin niyo? Abogado po kayo eh.
Sa paniniwala po namin, wala po kaming nalalabag po.
Wala.
Yes po. Sa paniniwala lang po namin po.
At least, it is a record na sinasabi po ninyo na wala. Kasi na-bother lang ako sa one statement ni Mayor na marami namang mayor na appoint yung kanilang kamag-anak na maging administrator. So, wala na po kayong kamag-anak sa BAC.
Isa lang po.
Kanina, tinanong ko po kayo kung hindi parte ng nepotism yung ginawa ninyo na pag-assign ng kapatid ko ninyo maging chairman ng BAC. Pwede po ba ulitin ninyo yung sagot nyo kanina?
As far as I remember, ang sagot ko po ay hindi ko po siya. Hindi ko po maalala po yung exact words, Mr. Chair.
Pero, po pwede.
Apo.
Are you aware of the provision of Executive Order number 292, the Administrative Code of 1987, Section 59, regarding nepotism?
Regarding nepotism, yes po.
Yes. Yung mga pag-appoint mo sa kapatid ninyo sa SMAC chairman, hindi po violation ng provision ng Administrative Code of 1987, specifically Section 59.
As far as
stated.
Yes po. As Mr. Chair, if may answer na. As far as on my opinion po, wala pong binaviolate po.
That's your opinion.
Yes po.
Kasi pero, the law specifically states that appointment by you in favor of a relative is prohibited by law. Administrative EO number 292 or the Administrative Code of 1987 is a law. Do you not agree that you have violated the law?
Section 59 po, Mr. Chair, yung pong appointments ng may exception po for nepotism. Yung pong person employed in confidential capacity po. Na-appoint ko po ang kapatid ko po bilang administrator as confidential capacity po.
A while ago, I said, okay ako sa administrator, but to be appointed as the chairman of the BAC, it would be a different story. Would you agree, Mr. Mayor? Would you agree? Yes or no? Kasi pinakukumit lang kita para sa susunod na hearing.
Para sa akin po, wala po kasing prohibition po to appoint our municipal administrator po.
Yeah. Provided, under the law, also, he satisfies the requirement.
Yes po.
Tama?
Yes po.
Ah.